Question 4. Find the multiplicative inverse. I think already we have done multiplicative inverse. Multiplicative inverse means reciprocal of the given number, means numerator and denominator will be interchanged. So denominator is missing, we can use 1 as denominator. So multiplicative inverse of 6 is 1 by 6, same as 1 by 3 minus 1 by 3. Minus will remain as it is, no need to change the sign. So 1 by 3 change into 3 by 1, same as minus 4, we can take 1 as denominator, so minus 1 by 4, and minus 5 by 2, it will minus 2 by 5. So complete this question. Then question 5, simple, determine the integer whose product with minus 1, means we have to find such an integer whose product with minus 1 is what? So 23 multiply minus 1. So 23 ones are 23. One negative sign, one is odd number, so minus 23. Same as minus 47 multiply 1, minus 47. Then 0 into minus 1. So product of any number with 0, answer will remain 0. Then 6th question, using convenient grouping evaluate. We have to evaluate this. Find the value means evaluate. But we have to solve this question by grouping. Grouping means easier calculation. We can note in this way, if 5 19s are 95, we then multiply by 60. No. First, we will grouping them. So, how do we grouping them? Ending 0 we have to find. In which product we can find number of zeros, maximum number of zeros. So, ending number we can calculate 9 5s are 45, there is no 0. Then 6 0, already 1 0 is there, and 6 5s are 30, again 1 0 is there. So we will make this group minus 5 multiply minus 60, then minus 90. So first of all we will multiply this number. 65s are 300, two negative signs are, that's why it is positive, multiply 90. So 0 0, ending zeros first of all we write, then 19 3s are 57, 57, this is the 5700, this is the answer. Try to solve if ending zeros are there, it is orally. So we can use ending zeros first, then 19 3s are 57. In this way you have to calculate. Then second part of the same question, 25 multiply 31 into 4. So if we calculate ending 5 and 1, there is no 0, and 1 4, there is no 0, and 25 and 4, 5 4s are 20, there will be 0. So we will make the group in these two integers, multiply 31. So 25 4s are 100, negative sign, into 31, then minus 3100, this is the answer. So the same way you can complete this part. Then question number 7, 7th question of the same exercise. Now if A is equal to 3, B minus 2, and C is equal to minus 1. So verify, but we have to verify. We have been provided the value of A, B and C. Then first part we have to verify B into A plus C then B multiply A plus B multiply C. So check this verification carefully. Already we have done in previous question. This is distributive property. B into A plus C means B multiply A, then B multiply by C. So this is distributive property. So replace the value of A, B, C and the C in this equation, left side as well as right side. So value of B, it is -2 into value of A 3 plus value of C, it is -1. Again replace the value, B -2, then A 3 plus B -2 into C -1. Now solve separately. -2 into plus minus minus 3 minus 2 3 minus 1, it's 2 positive. Now multiply, 3 2s are 6, minus, then minus minus plus 4, sorry 2 1s are 2, then 2 2s are 4, minus equal to -6 plus 2 -4. So -4 equal to -4, hence this is verified. This is we have to verify. Then second part of the same question, value of ABC will remain as it is, but the property is changed. In this part we have done distributive property, and then second part, let's see which property is this. B multiply C multiply A, then A multiply B multiply C equal to C multiply A into B. Now B into C into A, then A B C, then C A B. Just we have to interchange their orders. So already we have done this property, associative property. Associative property, if their orders are changed, there is no change in answer. Answer will remain same. So let's check. So value of B, replace the value of B, it's -2 multiply C -1, then A, it's 3 equal to value of A 3, B -2, C -1, then again C -1, A 3 and B -2. So we solve it separately. So 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6. There are 2 negative signs. So answer in positive. So positive 6 equal to 3 2s are 6, 6 1s are 1. The 6 1s are 6. Again minus minus plus, 2 negative signs are there. Again 6. So again 3 2s are 6, minus minus plus. So 6 6 6. It means, but we have proved if integers are there, if their orders are changed, the answer will remain same. So we have changed their orders, B C A, then A B C, then C A B. So all the answers are 6. So this is we have to verify. Hence it is verified. Properties already we have explained. Then third question, again same values are same. Third part is, you can do it yourself, B into C, then C into B. This is commutative property. Again places are interchanged, so answer will remain same. So this is commutative property. What is the difference between commutative and associative property? If only two integers are there, this is commutative property. If more than two integers are given, this is associative property. So next, question number 8. If this sign, this operation is given, be defined as a b is equal to a multiply b minus a plus b, then evaluate now. Listen carefully, this sign is given. So if this sign is defined as a and this operation equal to a multiply b minus a plus b, then find first part is 2. This sign is given 2 and 5. So this sign means a multiply b minus a plus b. So we'll replace the values. So this equation is given a b is equal to a multiply b a plus b. So instead of a and b, we can use 2 and 5. A instead of 2 we'll write instead of a, and then 5 equal to 2 into 5 minus 2 minus plus 5. Now solve it. Two fives are 10 minus 2 plus 5 7. 10 minus 7 it's 3. So value of this, it will be 3. This is you have to solve. Then second part of the same, minus 4, then minus 6. Again same, we will replace the value in this equation. Minus 4 into minus 6 minus 4 plus minus 6, then minus plus 24 minus plus minus, then minus 10 minus plus 10 34. So this is the answer. Then third part is left, same as this question you can do. So this exercise is completed. Next exercise will start in our next lecture. So complete this exercise carefully, revise it properly. If any problem is there, you can discuss it with me. Do it in fair notebook. Thank you and have a nice day.